If Telegram is not working on your iPhone while connected to Wi-Fi, like messages not sending, media not loading, or the app not connecting, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix it. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is working. Try opening another app that uses the internet. If Wi-Fi feels slow or unstable, turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone, it's the network. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the connection is stable, open Telegram and check again. Step 3. Disable low data mode for Wi-Fi. Low data mode can prevent apps from working properly. Go to iPhone settings, then tap Wi-Fi. Now tap the info icon next to your connected network. Make sure low data mode is turned off. Step 4. Allow Telegram to use Wi-Fi data. Now check Telegram's internal settings. Open Telegram, go to Settings, then Data and Storage. Make sure data usage is enabled and not restricted. Step 5. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. Finally, restart your iPhone. This helps clear temporary system glitches that may block network access. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.